everybody. Hi YouTube friends. I am on my way to meet somebody in Roseville, Minnesota. Normally it's like an hour on the back roads for me. 45 minutes on a good day. But today, because it snowed last night, I decided to take the freeway, which now it's only taken me, I'm 20 minutes into my drive and I'm probably 15 minutes away from my destination. So I'm going to be there about an hour earlier than I need to be to meet with the person that I might be collaborating with. And that's okay, because I used to work in Roseville. It's my old stomping ground, so to speak. And I know if I've got an hour to spare, I'm going to go junking. There is a fantastic thrift store near Roseville. It's called Hidden Treasure, and it certainly is. And I think it was voted the best thrift store in Minnesota at one point. It is so the best thrift store. It's one of the best. I put it right up there with my top. It's in my top 5. It's in my top 5. I used to go like 3-4 times a week when I worked down here. Wow, this guy's truck is like falling apart. I have not been down here for a while. They usually have the best deals on furniture. Love their furniture selection. They have great vintage furniture. I made the mistake of not emptying my car before coming down here. That's okay, because I have a van, and if I have to, I'll make another trip down here if I buy something big. They'll put a sold sign on it for me. We'll see what they've got, and I'm gonna take you with me. Okay, I'm here. And how weird is it that they don't open till 10? It's, I've been sitting here for a few minutes and I've watched about 6 people pull on that door because they can't read or see the sign's not lit up. But, yeah, there's a huge sign too, by the way, guys. Read the sign. Oofda. Oofda, oofda, oofda. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and kill a half hour. So, because it's 9:24, I can kill a half hour. I'm gonna come back. I'll still have a half an hour to shop. I can whip through here really quick, and if I see something I really love, I can come back after my appointment and see what they've got. Update, there's Michael's here, and I need to get a Christmas gift at Michael's. So I know that's not a local store, but they have the best price on this item that I need to get. So I will be hitting Michael's here. Yeah! Get in there. Maybe they have a bathroom too. That was a huge mistake. Not really. It was good. I got some shopping done, but I spent way more than I really wanted to on my daughter. So I can't tell you what I got, but that is a huge bag of stuff. And I gotta tell you, I love Michael's, and why I love Michael's, because like I went right away, obviously, at 9 o'clock when they open. So it wasn't hugely busy, and their staff is so wonderful about, do you have a coupon? Go online, get a coupon. Look at this, and they looked at all the coupons and everything I was buying, so it was really cool, because I saved quite a bit of money that I wouldn't have if they hadn't alerted me. So I always appreciate that. They didn't know about the Ibotta app and all that stuff, so there was just like the online percentage back. But I have run out of time. I spent way longer in Michael's than I wanted to, so I have to go to my meeting, and then I hope to have enough time to hit this thrift store after. We're gonna go junking after. I wish I could show you my Michael's haul, y'all, but there's 2 things in there, 3 things in there for me. But okay, my meeting's over. And I met a really neat lady. She does copywriting for websites and things like that. So I met with her today. Super neat. Also another Stacy Shepherd. I'm going to put a link to her website in the description below, because I don't know if you need copyright services, but she's awesome. StacyShepherd.com. Stacy with an I. She spells her name wrong. But what's really cool is while I was there, the coffee shop that we were meeting at, local coffee shop called Dunn Brothers, had coffee bags for sale. Super cheap. Well, I used these for upholstery and stuff, and they had a really cute one that was their Christmas blend. I think I'm gonna have to make a little burlap pillow, Christmas pillow for that one. But because Stacy was so really cool to meet with and speak to, didn't even realize how fast time just flew by. I just talked to her for almost 2 hours, and it felt like we just got there. And she felt the same way. So, but she's a really neat lady. We are going to still hopefully make. I'm gonna get over there. I'm gonna get some junkin in at my favorite thrift store because I just can't come this far and not go there. So I'm gonna go there, and it'll have to be an abbreviated trip. We'll whip through there. We'll get it. So stay tuned. I got a big box full of stuff. Spent $40. Totally worth it. Ooh, I'm in neutral. Okay, but definitely gotta go pick up my kid now. I'm gonna be late. Two full boxes of pink shiny vintage shiny brights. Full boxes. They were $7.99 a piece. Yeah, those are going on Etsy. You want pink shiny brights? Vintage pink shiny brights. Come and get them. I've got them. And they had a porcelain lamp with the shade, vintage shade with the ruffles, and it had white flower porcelain. I will show you pictures of all this stuff. But it was $1.99. Well, even if it doesn't work, I come out ahead. I've got a ton of lamp kits at home. I can fix that. Well, Dad can fix that. The OG can fix that. And what else? Oh my God, there was so much. I'll have to take pictures. So much. I literally have a box full of stuff for $40. So between the thrift store, Target, Michael's, and the coffee shop, I had a great shopping day. And I don't even like shopping. Oh my gosh, you guys. Gotta hide some of these presents from my daughter. Yeah, it was a great day. So look what I got. Can you believe it? It was such a great day. Y'all, I am so peaceful right now with everything I've got. Sometimes it's hard thrifting around Christmas because a lot of the furniture pieces were gone because of the Christmas trees. And nothing I can do about that. I mean, they need the space for the Christmas stuff. And I didn't think I was looking for Christmas stuff, but the shiny brights were like, ah! I can't even believe you had a whole box of vintage shiny brights for $7.99 and that someone hasn't already bought them. Normally I'm like two seconds short. If somebody just walked in and I'm watching them carry them out the door going, what? They had shiny brights? That's just what? So I'm really super excited. I can't even believe they had them, and they had them under the cabinet, the glass cabinet. And I thought, oh, well, they know what they've got. If they've got them under the cabinets, they're probably going to be too expensive. $7.99. That I would have paid double that. Totally worth it for me. And then, yeah, everything else, $1.99, 99 cents. Yeah, the prices can't be beat. You definitely, if you're going to be in Minnesota and you're going to go junking, hit Hidden Treasure for sure. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Just give me a little hello. Comment down below. Tell me where you like going junking. I just so appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. And if you like the channel, you know, I do DIY tutorials and more junking videos because people seem to like them. So get on that. Click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon to be notified. And I will see you guys next week. Happy junking. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.